Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center, Greeley, Colorado. Kind of a quiet day here in Greeley, Colorado with all the crazy virus stuff going on. Hopefully everybody's safe. Appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this video. And I just want to say to all you guys that do trucking for a living, thank you very much. You guys are in my book, have always been way more important than the celebrities and athletes and everything else, because you're the backbone of this country, and I appreciate it. And right now, I think the rest of the country and the rest of the world, doesn't matter if you're in New Zealand, Australia, England, Europe, you guys are important, and I just wanted to say thank you. We really appreciate it. But today, but just stay safe out there, and just keep doing what you're doing. We appreciate it. So today I've got a 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, ultra cab. You can see the cab's a little bit taller, 78-inch stand-up sleeper. This one's in diamond white, and this is, I guess I would say, if I was trucking, this is probably the one I would go with. Absolutely love this color. It's so easy to keep clean. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's just absolutely a beautiful color. Just love it. Some guys call it an eggshell white. I think it's a little nicer than an eggshell white, but it's a nice diamond white. Added 2 extra lights up there on the top. Bullet lights, 14-inch polished stainless steel drop visor. Got lights in front of the breathers there. Back of the breather. I do my internal ones there also. Polished step, polished tank. You see, you do a master disconnect in underneath there, so you can excuse me, disconnect the batteries. All LED lights, polished stainless steel, polished tank. Got a 110 on this side, medium depth tank. This is a twin to the silver one that I just put on, a gray one I just put on the other day. 6 load lights. So I'm going to move through it a little bit faster. Esbar heater, that's the exhaust for it. Got the catwalk on there. LoPro 24/5 wheels and tires. Full lockers on this. Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. This tells you right here that, there we go, right there. So you can tell it's got full lockers. That's your airline. So the front axle locks in, the rear axle locks in, any inter-axle locks in. .24/5 wheels, all polished. Did the round holes on these. I've had a lot of comments on those that we cheapen them up by doing that. They're about the same price as the Peterbilt wheels. It's just different. Just something, just changing it up. That's all we're doing. Got a 150 on this side. Polished after treatment. We got disc brakes all the way around on this truck. I didn't show you that on the rear, but they are disc brakes. Do air ride steer axle. 565 horse, 2050 torque, Cummins X15. And of course we have disc brakes on the steer axle. That's the after treatment you can see back there. Lots of room under an extended hood to work on it. There's our standard signature aluminum hood. Best view in the industry, in my opinion. Got the anti-blowdown, so that's when you open it up, it sits like that, so you can't close the hood. You gotta flip that up so you can close it. Davco fuel filter, remote lube, and right over here. Beautiful truck. Take you inside. platinum interior on this one, and let's see, what's it weigh? 18,966 pounds. So right at 19,000 pounds. Black interior. Power windows, power locks. Full gauges as we can get with having an extra PTO switch and a full three-way lockers. Get her fired up. 65 miles on this one. Factory CB. 18 speed. If this thumb button right here is gray, pretty much 99% of the time, it's going to be an 18 speed transmission. If it's red, it's a 13 speed. So if you're just glancing in a truck and you see a red thumb button, it's 13, gray's 18. Had a question on that the other day. Just a gorgeous truck. Black carpet. Got the floor mats down there. Got your speakers, tweeters. Speaker here, tweeter here. This is for your CB. So it's kind of off to your left ear, which is really nice. So when we don't have a flat top, you get this much more room. You get 7 inches more headroom in the cab versus a flat top when you get an ultra cab. So that gives you these nice little storage compartments. You don't have those in a flat top because the top of the roof is 7 inches lower. So black leather seats, 78-inch stand-up sleeper. Got a very little step to get over right there. And it's got your cabinets in the back, place for a TV, little storage there. Got your business center here that you can use, and a closet opposite of that. We do a mirror up there and a light. Then we do a fluorescent light up here that you can operate over here to your little information center. Here's where you control the Esbar heater. Climate controls up here. Alarm clock. And a couple of 12-volt deals. And you switch that light on. You also have a fridge up here. It's got all the safety stuff and climate control, everything you would need for a nice, comfortable stay. Tons of room, plenty of room to stand up. So I just thought I'd run this one by you. I've also got that green one right there. It's a twin to this one. There's the gray one. That radiant red one is very similar. It's not a twin, but these are all very similar trucks. So just thought I would run that one by you, or this one by you. And if you guys get a chance to hit the subscribe button, I'd appreciate it. That way every time I send out a new video, you get to see it right away. Plus, put down in the comments where you're watching from. I've asked, I think it was a few emails ago, for people to do that. It's just incredible the amount of people that watch these from all over the world. I mean, we have Bruce from down in New Zealand. We've got guys from Australia. I've got guys from England, Netherlands, Germany, Denmark, Norway, Sweden. It's just absolutely amazing. So if you guys put that down in there, it's just really interesting. I try to respond to all of them. But if you would, I would really appreciate it. So again, thank you all the guys for what's really interesting is what we're all thinking about right now. Everybody in the world's kind of thinking about the same thing, which is kind of interesting. We're many, many, many time zones apart, and we're all got this coronavirus deal going on. So stay safe. Thank you guys. You guys that run these trucks for a living, thank you for what you do. We really appreciate it. 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk, C-O-U-C-H-K, at rushenterprises.com. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.